plans for the day. When a heavy knock sounded at the door. "Father," said the rat. "Hello, Greg. See who it is?" "No, like a good chap," said Jupiter. The mole went to the attention. "What's SUMMON?"
Summons.
Summons. And the rat heard him, utter a cry of surprise. Then he flung the parlor door open and announced with much "What's IMPORTANCE?" Close at the bottom.
Importance.
Oh, importance.
Right here.
Oh, importance. Mr. Badger, this was a wonderful thing indeed, that the Badger should pay a formal call on them, or indeed on anybody. You gently had to be caught if you wanted him badly, and as he slipped quietly along ahead,